Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be doing your presentation today. Just a brief disclaimer. It's a software demonstration in essence. Here's my contact details. Today we're going to focus on the FTSE350 stocks. We're going to run the artificial intelligence engine through the FTSE350 index constituents and then identify the most recent artificial intelligence trading signals. We use four major artificial intelligence trading strategies. One is major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now these cater for various types of trading styles, whether you're short-term trader or a medium swing trader or long-term holder. These are all fantastic artificial intelligence trading strategies. Just briefly to recap for those of you that's new to artificial intelligence, now this particular artificial intelligence engine explores over 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of indicators and market relationships. So it really takes all the available technical indicators, tests it with all available settings to come up with the most accurate, high probability artificial intelligence generated trades. Now it uses neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logic, among other things, to come up with these calculations and identify these technical indicators. So just briefly to recap, let's say you've got one or two technical indicators like the MACD or stochastics that you like to use. And that would, let's say, constitute one or two of these nodes. So one particular setting, let's say a moving average crossover of 10-day over 20-day, etc. That would be one of these nodes with the settings. Now with AI, it's possible for us to go into the technical indicator database and test all the technical indicators at all different type settings, and then come back. The AI then comes back with the high probability trades after doing this immense amount of data mining. You can see the end result is then we have a few high probability trading strategies that incorporate a multitude of different type technical indicators, which is something we not necessarily would have found if we were just back testing and testing each particular indicator in a different type setting. So this saves a tremendous amount of time, these type indicators. So that brings us to these four technical indicators, and AI indicators, and we will be using these to identify high probability trades. So I'm going to jump straight into the Metastock platform and then screen the FTSE350. So I've got the Metastock platform open. I've selected the Fulgent artificial intelligence engine that sits on the Metastock platform. I've also selected the FTSE350 stocks. Start the exploration, did it a little bit earlier, so we have the results already. Took about 9.5 minutes, almost 10 minutes to scan the FTSE350 to come up with the latest artificial intelligence generate trading ideas. And here's the end result. There's two columns here, important columns. One is inner long and inner short. When there's a 1 in that column, it says that the AI is in a long position there. And when there's a 1 in the short, it means that it's in a short position. The bars here tell you how old the trade is. 1 bar's into a trade, 2, 3, etc. We'll go through the list and see there's a few other longer term trades in there. Hits tells you how many times in the testing period did this particular indicator fire, and 65% accuracy on average, 72% accuracy on average for that one, 76 for that one. So we can see it. And the code 105, 106, if we now compare that to 105 and 106, 105 is the volatility breakouts and 106 is the quick 3-day moves. So these are all the codes. That's where the important the AI code comes from. So let's go and look at volatility. I've got the chart up here. You can see it's still in a nice long trade. Major reversal there. The stop loss is automatically updated in the AI, so it's still a long position there. So that one's looking good. Hikma is in a long, 2 days into a trade. So if we just load, the AI takes a while to load because it uses a lot of data. You can see lots of trading signals on this one. Huge moves. And still in a volatility breakout there. So there should be some upside potential in Hikma. ITV, it's in a long, 2 days into the trade. It's a, what is the signal here? 105 is a volatility breakout. You can see now this trade is the volatility breakout's fantastic one to trade as well. You can see lots of plenty of highly profitable signals being fired over the last couple of months. So this is the most recent one. So you can see there you would have done quite well just trading the ITV one on that one. Lloyd's Group, interesting with the bank. Let's see what that one says. There we go. Yeah, quite a nice swing trade, volatility trade. The bottom went all the way from 24 to 37, then back in again at 34, 35, and now it's up at 49. There was a sell signal there, but then another volatility breakout buy. So Lloyd's Banking Group is another one to look at. Just going to scroll down. So that's the way just to screen the FTSE 350 to find high probability trading ideas, then rank them from bars, how many days into the trade it is. Here's Experian, another interesting one. Let me just scroll this. You can see, yes, also major reversals. Major reversal trades worked out well. Took profit there, volatility breakout, took profit there, another quick move in. So there's a quick move there. If we just scroll down, I'm going to sort them from the oldest to the most recent trades, just to see how well this is done over the past. Page Group, 152 days into a long. There we go, fantastic long. Major market reversal back here in April. In at 310, now 605. Fantastic performance there. Safe Store Holdings. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Hold on. There we go. Also, you can see back in May, huge move. Another July trade. Another trade here in September and October. November. Took a while, moved sideways, and then it just took off. So it's fantastic, fantastic return in that one. Barrett Developments, interesting. Let's see how this one pans out. There we go, quick moves. If I just drag this across, you'll see where this. Yeah, you can see the huge sell-off did volatility breakout. Those were 3 failed trades there, but that was the COVID pandemic correction. But we can see plenty of recovered most of that drop, and also major market reversal. Yeah, up, huge move up, fantastic trade there in Barrett Development. Okay, Rolls-Royce Holding, another interesting one. Takes a while to load. This one's moving sideways most of the time, yeah, but major reversal, yeah, came through volatility, huge volatility move. Literally the day before that volatility breakout, that was amazing. Yeah, still long in this trade, even though it's 114 bars into the trade. Land Securities, another interesting one. 92 bars into a trade. There we go. Oh, quite nice. Lots of volatile trading sessions, but also fantastic returns. Quite high vol trades, but yet very profitable trades. So that's kind of the way to find high probability trade ideas. Royal Mail is actually a short in this. That will be interesting. Oh, that's interesting. Let's just see the chart. Wouldn't think the other day I mailed something that's very expensive. So I don't know. Yeah, that's interesting. Quick move to the downside. Another short here is UK Commercial Property Group. Let's see there. So that's also volatility breakout. Caught a huge move. Now thinking that there's a quick downside move there. And Balfour Betty's in a long there. Okay, so right, that's just how you scan the market, load the AI, run it through the FTSE 350, and then you can come up with high probability trades. You can see there's quite a lot of high probability trades already, so the process is to run this daily and weekly, screening the FTSE 350 for top quality AI generated stocks. If anybody's interested in trying out the artificial intelligence trading for the FTSE 350 stocks, you can get access to the platform at metastock.com/alphaharvest3 for 1. You get 3 months at the price of 1. mention the Alpha Harvest promo code there. If you already have Metastock, you can get the Fulgent AI engine on top of that. Go to metastock.com/alphaharvestf. Be sure to mention Alpha Harvest F promo code to get your discounted deal on the Fulgent AI. So just to recap, here's the list again. I will maximize this so we can all go and just jot down those ticker symbols. Looking at the bars, these are ranked from most recent trade signal to later on trade signal. So there we go. Interesting, yeah. IG groups, yeah. Pearson, Taylor. You can always see how many days into the trade the AI is, whether it's a long or short, all fully disclosed there on the artificial intelligence engine. Until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now.